In this short video, we'll set up live, secure streaming from your MediCapture recorder and archiving system. Start by pressing the Info button, then choose Settings. Create a viewer account for your peers or young medical professionals who needs live access. We'll add Dr. Miller here as an example. Enter a username and strong password. This login will be shared with the remote viewer. Verify the recorder is on the same network, Wi-Fi or LAN, as your viewer's laptop, tablet, or phone. Open Connections, select Remote Access, and enable streaming. For security, leave Require Approval on so you can approve each viewer. This streaming address must be shared with Dr. Miller to watch. Enter the case details and tap Start. Your procedure is now broadcasting securely. On the viewer side, Dr. Miller opens Chrome and enters the stream address you provided together with the stream suffix, and this opens the login portal. He logs in with the account you created and requests access to watch live stream. A pop-up appears on the MediCapture recorder. Tap Allow to grant viewing rights or deny if the request is unexpected. Once approved, Dr. Miller can watch in full screen and hear live audio, ideal for learning and education. Need to end access? Simply remove the viewer from the list and the stream closes on their end. You can experience network-based live streaming with one-directional audio on all MediCapture recorders and archiving system. For more information, visit our support page.